roads are cracked, the maps are wrong, but I still walk like I belong. The signs are gone, the names are too, but I remember them, and I remember you. Beneath the dust, there's something still, a broken house on the far-off hill. The wind might howl, the wires might rust, but I still sing beneath the dust. I found a jacket, threadbare blue, smelled like smoke and something true. I wear it now when the cold comes fast, like a borrowed name from the better past. Beneath the dust, the roots still breathe, a song survives in the cracks beneath. It's not much light, but it's just enough to write your name beneath the dust. There's ash in the sky and mud in the stream, but some nights I swear I still hear dreams. They echo soft through the window frame, not quite gone, not quite the same. Beneath the dust, I plant my feet, sing the silence off the street. It's a lullaby, worn and rough, but it's still my